Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as 2-inch lift kit, Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires, tow hooks, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior here, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling and cup holder storage at the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents. And onto the seats, you're going to have these premium leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar here. Left side will be your vents. Below that will be your drive mode selector, 2 and 4 wheel, and your lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with the black bow tie. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 matte black paddle shifters. And for the odometer here, as you can see, it's all digital. You can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, adaptive cruise, all your gauges, as well as you can access music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start as well down here and onto the infotainment. Like I said, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance and your hitch cam. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with your trailering, as well as Amazon Alexa. Below that, you're going to have your lane keep assist and auto stop, as well as hill descent control, more of the wood and chrome. Below that, with your trailer brake controllers, right next to your dual zone climate control, with the 2 USB ports right next to it. In the center console with the new shifter, lots of extra storage. You're also going to have a wireless charging pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall charger. Passenger side's manually adjustable, same leather heated finish though, with the Z710 weather mats. Wood and chrome accents again, goes all the way across. Speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power rear sliding window. So you have these blacked out 20-inch wheels on Goodyear Territory tires, Z71 package with the 2-tone hood, black rear caps, black door handles as well, keyless entry. Also got the Trail Boss badging, black corner step bumper, the dual exhaust, your trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. You're gonna have 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall charger back here, around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious room. Moving on to the rear interior, you got more paneling and storage right next to the speaker, power window with the wood and chrome accent. Back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear USB ports, as well as ventilation. You're also going to have more cup holder and armrest right in the center, storage behind the seats, as well as storage under the seats, with lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as the 2-inch lift kit, Google Assistant and Maps, trailer brake controller, spray and bed liner, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.